What is this called? I don't even know. Yeah. You could put your shell instead of dropping. Oh my gosh.
Dude, we should have a pool party.
Oh, it's the Corion.
I don't know.
It's above the amniotic. That's what it is.
I know nothing.
Oh my god.
You can actually break that leathery thing if you want. Yeah. There you go. Yeah.
Will I see an eye? Is the eye developed?
It might be. I don't know.
Oh
So you just break the membrane and you drink the soup.
Yeah.
It's good.
Why would you put yourself in this situation? It doesn't smell like anything. It's soup?
Or like there's something. There's like not soup, but there's juicy stuff.
No, what the? Is that Balut?
Yeah.
It's fucking gross.
Oh my god.
Do you spoon it or?
I eat it without a spoon.
Are you
Yeah.
kidding me?
Yeah.
Are you licking it? It's like a
I just like suck it up a lollipop.
Like I'm open to food. Like I have like broad horizons, you know. But this is. Okay, it doesn't taste bad. It just looks
Gotta
crazy.
suck it up.
My fingernail it.
You can like.
Oh!
So you have to suck it up.
It's really good. It's really good.
Oh my god.
Alright.
Yeah. And then you just eat it like a normal egg.
Alright.
It's a balut.
It's really good. It just doesn't look good.
Balut. Balut. It's a fertilized duck egg.
Live?
Fertilized boiled.
Whoa! No, there's hair. Oh my god.
It's not
What am I
hair.
gonna do with the hair?
You just eat
That
it.
is fucking disgusting.
You
Everything?
just eat it. Just suck it. Like, yeah.
What the Let me throw this in the trash can. I feel.
You can just like throw it.
Alright, I'm sorry.
Yeah. Oh my god. It's good! Leslie, it is good.
It's a Filipino delicacy. It's salty.
Yeah, you're good now.
Disgusting.
You got through the bad. Or the
What
odd.
was that?
It was good, right?
It was weird.
Oh, is that the
It was
one that's the live bird?
Yeah. It's not alive, it's just there.
The outside is really nasty.
Yeah, right?
Nasty!
It looks nasty.
Yeah, it looks nasty, but it's pretty good.
Where's the eye?
You ate it.
I
You
ate-
ate the
that was
whole
the
bird.
eye?
You ate the whole bird. You ate the whole bird.
Bit the whole head off.
No, you ate the whole bird.
What was the one that was sucking? What was the one that was like dangling?
That was the whole body. You just like ate it all.
was the body?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Yeah, and then I usually don't eat the white just because it's hard, but I don't know, it's up to
the
you.
bottom?
Yeah, the white thing's kind of hard.
I'll just finish it. Susie said, I think something's gonna pop out. I was like, whoa.
Eat it up.
How did it get
Check.
Chug is it liquid?
not bad? I like the bottom.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Eat it!
Oh. Okay, yeah, you're
Thank
good.
you.
There
Thank
you
you.
go. No problem. There's some napkins. Yeah, okay. It's good! It's good!
I would eat it again.
Okay. Adios.